Guys, I want to share with you a GST business case audit. Now, the ATO, they're cracking down on businesses who are trying to avoid really hard to basically be compliant with income tax, but then also GST. And you guys might have seen businesses like this out there where effectively you see in their sign it says cash only. We only do cash only. Now, this business here was a pizza shop. This is an example in my tax training. It was a pizza shop and they had that cash only sign, but they had an accountant who thought they were being really smart by basically saying what you should do is put in your business here an ATM. So that means that when you say, hey, we don't do FPOS, we don't do credit card, but there's an ATM there, pull the cash out, and then you use the cash to buy our pizzas. Fantastic, right? But what happened was the ATO did this audit and they used the transactions from the ATM to go, that is part of your revenue. And effectively what they ended up finding out was there was around $140,000 of income that wasn't reported. But then also they went one step further and they went $1,000 of expenses that were claimed without evidence. So they went down hard with these guys, right? And they found that there was this GST shortfall, and it must be more than this. It says 17,400, but they also imposed 11,500 of penalties and fines, which was 75% of effectively the GST that wasn't paid, then also a 20% uplift. And effectively there was an overall penalty of 38,000 I got here, right? So for false and misleading statements. Now guys, here's the thing, right? The ATO, they're getting hard down on this whole audit business when it comes to those who are doing the wrong thing. And it is right. I went down to a particular part of Sydney, it was actually Hurstville, and I got told from this Chinese restaurant, look, you know what, you can pay cash and there's a discount. And then I went, no, I just paid the credit card, thank you very much. I want the points. And I also want you to pay tax and GST. If I have to pay it, you got to pay it. But guys, it is right. And I'm telling you what, the ATO, they are onto this stuff. So if you think you're being smart by effectively saying, hey, cash only, think again, because they're all over it. AI technology, it's all there. And if I got to pay tax, everyone who's employed's got to pay tax, why can't you pay some tax? The big problem is that the government, they're spending it not that wisely. That's a different question. But hey, the law is the law. You got to apply it. And guys, don't get stung by doing dumb things like this. You think you're saving some money now, but eventually the ATO will catch you and they will make you hold account for your dodgy ways.